So welcome back everyone. I am back again with yet another video just 3 days before the NIMSET 2021 examination, and I am making this video on the 3rd of August, that is just 3 days before this examination, and we are going to talk about what should be your preparation strategy in these last 3 days. Maybe you might be watching it a day before or 2 days before. The same thing will go for those days as well. So what should be the preparation strategy for you in these last days? Okay, so the first question that everyone asks is, what should I study now? Like, what should I do right now that will help me ace the examination? And I'll say that you shouldn't study anything right now. The time for studying was a month ago, up till a month ago, and whatever you had to study there, you had studied. In the last month, you must have been giving a lot of mock tests. You have been practicing a lot. You must have been practicing PYQs and previous year papers a lot. But now in these last 3 days or just a week before the examination, nothing should be studied. Absolutely nothing. I'd also go ahead and say that do not give any mock test right now. Do not give last minute mock test for this examination. You might be thinking that that will boost your level of performance in the main examination, but it is not going to. In fact, it will be counterproductive to your preparation. The less stressful that you are going to make your mind in these last days, the better it is, because when the mind is free, it is able to think faster than when the mind is filled with a lot of stressful thoughts. And studying in the last moment only increase our stress, so do not study anything. Maybe for an hour or two you can go ahead and revise all the topics that you have in your syllabus. You can memorize the formula, but that's it. Do not study anything in these last 3 days. Do not study anything at least seriously in these last 3 days. And one of the most important things that you should do in these days is to prepare yourself mentally and psychologically. NIMSET is a kind of examination which requires a lot of mental energy, because there are 120 questions given in 2 hours. That is, for each question 1 minute is given, and every second counts, and every seconds take every percentage of your mental energy. So you need to prepare yourself mentally. And the things that I used to do to keep myself calm and prepared and be less stressful was to exercise. I didn't used to go to gym or anything, but I just used to take 45 minutes to 1 hour of very brisk walking around 5 kilometers. I used to sweat myself in the evening, and that used to boost my energy while studying and also while thinking straight and be focused. So you should exercise regularly in these 3 days, and many more MC exams are coming, so I'll say that you should keep exercising until all these exams get over. It is going to improve your blood circulation, and it will help you think better and tackle the exam. Second, don't discuss about the examination with anyone. Not your friends, not your teachers, not your family members. This is not the time to discuss about examination. How is your preparation? What you have left, what you have not finished, and how is your level of preparation and everything. Just don't discuss about it, because the more you're going to discuss about it, the more confused you will get, and you might even take some rash decision like studying in the last moment, or maybe get nervous right before the examination. So you don't want that. So don't discuss about the examination. Then don't expect anything out of your exam. Don't think about the result, whether you will pass, you will fail. I have always told everyone who has talked to me personally that you should give your exam in a warrior mode. Do not expect what will the result be. Just give your 100% efforts during the examination, and everything will come out to be great. I have done that. This is tested, and I can tell you that when you don't give examination based on what kind of result you will get, you get an absolutely great result, and you will in many cases you will outperform yourself. Last, give positive affirmations. Well, We all know that if we keep giving ourselves negative affirmations, if we keep thinking negatively, the negative things are going to happen. But the opposite is also true. If you force yourself to think positively, positive things happen, good things happen, things come out in your favor. So it's no Houdini science. It is true. If you give yourself positive affirmation, the things will come out to be great. So just before sleeping or just after waking up or any time of the day, just keep repeating in your mind that the exam will be it all will be okay. The exam is going to be flawless. I'll ace the examination. And whatever affirmation you can think of, just give yourself positive affirmation, and it will turn out to be great. Now, that was it about the preparation strategy in last 3 days. There's a short update on this channel. After posting this video, I won't be making any more preparation strategy related video to NIMSET or any other MC examination. This wasn't the motive for me to create this channel. I tried to share every bit of wisdom and experience I gained while preparing this examination, and I do not have anything more to share specifically to a large number of people. If you still want to discuss with me, you can definitely do that using my Telegram and my Discord channel, the links to which I have given below. And I will use this channel for posting programming related content, and that is what I have planned for the future for this channel. So if you are interested in those kind of content, just stay with me. We have a lot to learn in the development and programming field, and I'm definitely going to share a lot that I have learned in these 6 months of my MCA journey. And at the last, I'll say that best of luck to all of you for your exam. I know most of you is going to do great, but still, if you have doubt, I'll say that you can do it. If you made your mind to it, you can do it. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll meet you in the next one.